Welcome to my channel. Today we had a Sanyo auto defrost refrigerator repair. Problem for this is compressor is working but the auto defrost fails to function. So let's check. It usually happens when our defrost timer becomes defective. So we need to replace this. This is the color coding. And this is our diagram. Color coding must be followed. Oh, this is our old defrost timer. And now we had our new that color blue. It's almost the same. Same pen. So we need to install this. Remember the color coding must be followed. Let's recheck. Can we compare this to the original? It is correct. Okay. Then ready for testing. The compressor is working now. So let's check inside. And we will fix these wires and the bulb. Then after we fix, let's check inside again. It's okay. Very cold. Thank you for watching.